All right, what we're going to look at is how to do equations mainly from stage 4 using balanced scale to create this particular equation and then work through and checking solutions through substitution. So what I'm going to do is use the algebraic tiles, a combination of the algebraic tiles and the numbers. So I do want two lots of x on this side, and I'd like 6 of those on the other side. Make them neat and stacked up if you want. You can see that I'm already out of whack, which makes sense. 2x is a lot lighter than 6x. So now what I'm going to do, bring in the number cards and just bring in a 10. Oops, and an 18. And just change that to a minus. Now, if your scale is ever out of whack, just have to double click on the fulcrum part, and it'll just balance it out for you. So there is our equation. 2x plus 10 is equal to 6x minus 18. And so what we can start to look at is how do we actually begin to solve. So again, using our tiles, I'm going to remove those two x's from my left side. Just rotate those. As you can see, cancels it out very nicely. Do the same to the right hand side. Again, just reinforcing how things need to be balanced. Want to get rid of this 18, bring it over to here. So clearly we must add 18 both sides. Okay, and now I'm left with 4 x's, and they're equal to, just delete those two off the top. So 4x is equal to 28. Now I can split this 28 up and continue to split it up and merge it and do what I need to maybe create 4 equal groups, given that there's 4x on one side. Okay, so I'm actually going to, we all know the answer, it's going to be 7. So again, we can show that visually how 7, we get 4 lots of 7 tiles, each representing on one of those bars of x's are. So again, visually you can show that quite nicely. So each of these x's represent one of those. So x is therefore equal to 7. Now, we can definitely see if that actually works out. So I've got 2x, so that's 2 lots of 7 plus the 10. And we've got 6 lots of 7 over here. So just copy and paste. And we've got that minus 18. So you can now see by substituting 7 in, we get the right answer. Now you can obviously, merge these up if you really want to see what comes out. There you go, it equals 24 on this side. Does it equal 24 on this side? Sure does. So nice visual way of using the balancing method to show how to solve equations, particularly when there are pronumerals and numbers on both sides of the equation. Hope that helps. Definitely helps with those visual learners, as they call themselves, or particularly those that are just struggling with the algebraic concepts coming through stage 4 mathematics. Hope this helps your classes.